Hey guys, welcome to the channel. First thing you'll probably notice is I'm in long sleeves. It's been a few weeks and it's gotten cold. I originally recorded this video and forgot to add an intro, so here we are. In today's video we're going to be mounting the rings to the wheels, and I'll kind of show you a little bit on the wiring and then the back wheel. If you'll pay attention to the next episodes that I'm going to upload, it'll be kind of more of the wiring side of things and some more lights and that sort of thing. So hope y'all enjoy, and at least I'm not sick in the rest of the video.
Hey guys, so for the sake of the video, I went ahead, took the tire off here, and I've got the ring. I'm going to measure around it. So what you'll see, I'm going to put on time lapse, and I'm going to make sure the time lapse is better this time at least than in the last video, is fitting this around like so. See, it fits good and I got plenty of space on it. So what I'll do is look back here. I found some spots where I can pull some bolts out and mount it up somewhere about in there, something like that. And I have a piece of scrap right here that I'm going to use and make some brackets. Okay, so what y'all just saw on the time lapse there was me making the brackets and fitting them to this and then riveting them on. So obviously I skipped ahead a little bit. This one's got the LEDs already on it. So once I got the brackets made and just riveted them on, I test fit it, made sure it fit, and then I took the LED strips and I'm trying out these Super Night LED strips from Amazon, not eBay. And I don't know if they're that great or not. I hooked them up and they looked pretty good, so I'm going to try them out and see if they work good on it. But anyways, I took those and measured out a little bit over 44. You can cut them with these little sections right there, every 3 LEDs. So it ended up being a little more than 44 inches long. So I took them and you kind of see right in here where I overlapped them just a little bit. Wrapped them all the way around it and zip tied evenly around it as well. I think they'll hold up pretty good. And then of course I soldered those before I ever put them on. You can look up the video on YouTube. There's tons on how to cut and solder these, so it's not that hard. But anyways, yeah, that's one of them, and it really wasn't that hard to do. So anyways, I put them on the Slingshot and let y'all see what they look like at night. I finally got it on, and it still needs a little bit more rounding out around in there, but overall it's coming together pretty good. If you'll look right here, I'm using the tie rod hole or bolt, and then back here I'm using the 2 caliper bolts, this one and then that one right in there that goes behind it. Let's see. Oh man, there, and then there it is right there. And anyways, I'm gonna finish rounding it out a little bit more and then put the tire on. Now that everything's pretty much installed, I just kind of want to show you how everything's done and what it looks like. So you can see the ring goes around right there and then connects back here right there and right down there at that point, and then right there, and it does the same on that side right there as well. And so you'll see the wire come through right here, follow around, and then hitch right here and run straight across over to that other side. And then y'all already saw where it runs down the channel here to the back. You can see it right there on the back side. So looking here, you can see the wires that come right around here and follow this line right there. And then the other mounting point for this is right here. It runs straight back so they can catch the other side right here and hold it a little bit more steady. So that pretty much wraps up the wheel lights and what I did for them. I did this video a little bit differently than I'm going to do the rest of them. This is more of like a how-to, and the next videos aren't going to be that way. It's going to just basically be me doing it. If y'all have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. So I'll take another video at night and show y'all what it looks like, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.